I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to achieve royal blue icing. First, begin with a perfectly white icing base. This is crucial for a true blue. Next, select a high-quality gel food coloring as it provides concentrated pigment without altering your icing's consistency. You will add the blue color in very small increments, mixing thoroughly each time. Remember, the color will deepen significantly as it rests, a process known as color bloom. A pristine white base is absolutely essential because it prevents any undesirable undertones, ensuring your blue is pure. Gel food colorings are superior to liquid dyes. They deliver intense color without adding excess moisture, which could thin your carefully prepared icing. Liquid colors often dilute the consistency, making your icing difficult to work with. For the brightest base, consider adding a small amount of titanium dioxide whitener. When adding your blue gel color, proceed with caution. Start with a very small amount, perhaps 1/8 of a teaspoon, and mix it completely into your icing. This thorough mixing, for about 2 minutes, ensures even distribution. The magic happens during the color bloom period. Your icing's color will deepen considerably after resting. Plan to prepare your royal blue icing at least 2 to 4 hours before you intend to use it. For an even deeper, richer royal blue, a secret tip is to add a minuscule drop of purple gel food coloring. This subtle addition enhances the depth without making it look purple. Always store your beautifully colored icing in an airtight container to maintain its freshness and prevent it from crusting over. If you find your blue has become too dark, simply mix in a bit more plain white icing to lighten it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.